Yeah, you can eat it. Sam, where's the squash? Where's the squash? Those are chives. Where's the squash? That's a basil. Where's the squash? That's right. Good job. Where are the carrots? Where are the carrots? Where are the carrots? That's right. Good job. Where are the tomatoes? Little tomatoes. Where are the big tomatoes? Big tomatoes. Where are the flowers? Grass.